Well, I don't know if I videoed that first shot or not, but I don't even know if I hit that first shot or not. Let's see. 20 times zoom. It's kind of blurry, so I can't tell either. Alright, I think I hit to the right of it a little bit. It's nighttime, and I'm sure these things are not balanced. Let's see, that's 16 times. Let's go back. Let's see what that does. It's alright. Let's try 10. Okay, 10 might be better. I should probably go to night vision, but hey, let's see what's happening. Alright, let's go. Okay. There we go. That one went high to the right, I'm sure. Because I moved at the last moment. We're gonna try another one. I mean, I don't know. I'm not even looking. This night shooting is a whole lot different. And you can't really see what you're shooting. Let's try this one right here. Just because I think it's cute. Alright. Now this one, I think I'm going to try to see if I can shoot at that little white plate on top. Oh, you can't see it there. You can't see the white. It's a white piece of marble. And I have to cut it down a little bit. So there it is. That's what I'm going to try to hit this time. Alright, it's kind of hard to back you up a little bit. And get it rebalanced. Alright, let's see, can I hit that? I usually can, but it's at night time and I'm shooting in the dark basically. Let's see if I can do this. Well, looks like I did. Not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, let's try another one. Wait, I don't have that up. I'm going to just go for the regular target. These are various lengths, various weight bolts that I have pieced together, thrown together, and rebuilt after shooting them and losing the tips of them in trees or whatever. Alright, now I have no other target up there right now, so I'm just going to go for let's go for that heart. It's top left corner. Well, I missed. Alright, I don't know what I did here. I might have hit it. I don't know. Thought I heard it clatter. Let's try another. Thing was kind of loud though, wasn't it? Alright, let's try another. We're getting closer in. It's getting louder though. Kind of scares me when it gets loud like that. Makes me think that something's wrong. Let's see what happens here. Let's go for the club. No, let's go for the bullseye. Why should I go for anything but the bullseye? This is a very short bolt. I don't know if you can even hear me anymore. This is a very short bolt, and I redid the pins. I don't know if it's even going to fire. Let's do a review here. Alright. There you go. And I think I'm going to get a little bit of light on the target. Let's see how this goes. I don't know if you can hear, but this cocker that I made sure makes things a whole lot easier. This is a very short bolt. I'm scared of it, really. It really seems very short. And you'll see what happens here. Well, hold one moment, ladies and gentlemen. Let's come back on another video that has night vision.